How to create classic logo in Microsoft Word. It's very simple. Today we'll learn about how to create amazing classic logo in Microsoft Word. If you want this version of Microsoft, I'll give you the download link in the video description, or you can message me, you can email me in my email address. Hello everyone, it's me dipesh. Welcome to in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So how to make logo in Microsoft Word. So first of all, I want to tell you, you have to install Microsoft Word 2003 version, not 2007. Okay, you have to install Microsoft Word 2003. After that, you have to open this one by pressing Ctrl+R, then WinWord. Okay, you have to type WinWord and you have to open this one. I am opening this one. I think which version you are using for this one. So I'm making very attractive classic logo on this Microsoft Word. So first of all, you have to go in insert picture, then after that you have to click in Word Art, or you can directly click in the drawing toolbar from here. You have to click in Word Art, then you have to choose this one. Okay, so first of all you have to type organization name. So today I am writing Nucleus Academy. Then you have to enter 2 times, 1 2. Then after that you have to put the organization address. So I am putting the address brochure, Nepal. Then I will click in OK. Yeah, now our Word came in our page. After this, when you will click inside the Word, this Word option will be appear. If you click outside of the Word, it will be disappear. So you have, first of all, you have to click inside the Word. Okay, after that directly you have to go in text wrapping and just make it in front of text, or you can make it behind text also, but I'm making it in front of text. So from the Word shape you have to choose this one, button. Okay, you have to choose button Word shape. Okay, I'm choose this one, and from the corner you have to make it circle like this. Now you have to drag a circle from where? First of all you have to go insert picture, then you have to click in auto shapes, or you can directly go in the auto shape also from here, but I have already here a circle shape inside my drawing toolbar. That's why I'm clicking in the oval shape. Okay, now I'll drag a perfect circle like this. Just wait for a moment, I'm managing this one. Okay, just wait for a moment. Yeah, I think this one is perfect circle. Just wait for a moment, I'm arranging this one, and you have to make it also same like this. Okay, yeah, now I think this one is in perfect shape. So after this I'll go in the line style, then I'll increase the line style, I think line width. Okay, so I'll increase the line width from here. Okay, and now again I'll drag another circle like this, and I will right click, then go, you have to go in order, then make it center back. Now I'm again resizing this one from here, and you have to make it perfect circle. So from here I'll increase the line size, and I'll choose the line style also from here. I think I need to choose this one. No, I think this one is good. And from here I'll go in fill color, then from the fill effects I'll go in two color, and from here I'll choose this color, and from here this color. I think I need to choose this color, green and red. Okay, see, this one is looking too much attractive, right? After this you have to click in the outside circle and just go in the fill color, fill effects, and from the two color you have to go in color 1, and from here just choose this one. You can choose anything else color you want, but I'm choosing this one. From center I think I need to choose this one. Okay, yeah, now it's looking perfect, right? And I'll change the word art color also. From the fill color I'll go here, then I'll make it white, and I think I should to change the line color also. I'm making this one white. See, now our logo is almost ready. So after this I'll go in the auto shape and I'll choose the star, and in the corner I'll drag a star like this. Again I'll duplicate this one. From the edit I'll go and copy, I'll again go in edit and I'll go and paste, and I'll drag this one here. Okay, I think I should to change the color of this star, so I'll make it this one. I think I should to make it black, and this one also I think I should to make it black. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want also make this kind of classic logo, please follow all the steps, and hoping you like this video. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.